Grand tour.
Take you guys to a room tour. We got the inside cabin. Inside cabin here. Got the missus. Hey.
And we got look. We got a welcome aboard.
Already.
What is it?
I don't even know what that is. What is this?
Penguin chick.
What is this?
It looks like a little bird with some.
So, got the bed, 2 nightstands, a painting on the wall, a desk, and oh, we got the fridge. And I think this is a fridge here. Yep, yeah. We got the fridge, a little with the baggie on the top. I don't even know what this baggie is. Let's see what this bag. What the heck? Okay, a little maintenance joint there.
Yeah, and on top of
then
that
we got the top.
Lockbox.
Then we got the good safe right here. Put your key there. We got closet. Oh, let me get this big screen TV that we got. Whoo! Thing is huge. So we got plenty of storage here for clothes. One, we got another one. And we got the last one. Yeah, that one's pretty big. It's colossal right there. Then we got the huge bathroom, walk-in bathroom.
Now in the newer ships, they have doors. They don't have these yucky curtains. Which
you got these nasty curtains right here that you have to fight with while taking a shower.
Yeah.
Look at these. Oh my gosh. Don't drop the soap, people, because good luck picking that thing up.
Yeah.
You know, look at, hold on. Let me give you guys an example here. Look, I'm about.
Let me show them. Let me show them.
Let me see here. There we go. I'm about 6'4". Look at me. Oh, drop the soap. Oh no, I can't even pick it up. You know, I'm hitting walls and everything. You know, it's just too claustrophobic up in here. Look at this. Oh my gosh. just so terrible up in here. Uh-oh, we got a broken mirror.
We do? Oh. Yeah, well, you know, it's because of the salt water and salt there.